In today's video, I will be giving a quick review of the new Air Force One in the Bling colorway. Starting with the box the shoes come in, it's pretty boring, not gonna lie. It's just a dark gray Nike box, but on the top it says Nike Air Force One in the silver foil. Moving on to the label of the box, it says Women's Nike Air Force One 2007, and then it says LX, which I don't know what that means. So if you do know, comment that down below. I'd really appreciate it. And then I have a size 7.5 women's, and the official colorway is white, and then summit white. And then these shoes retail for $120, which is a bit more than a normal Air Force One. I think the normal Air Force Ones retail for $90, so this is a $30 upcharge, but I think it's worth it, and I'll tell you why in the rest of the video, so let's get right into it. Moving on to the shoe itself, the entire upper of the shoe is made out of a white leather. The leather on the shoe feels a lot better in hand than a normal Air Force One. I think for the $30 upgrade, part of that was giving the shoe better materials, and if you have these in hand, you'll definitely feel a difference. Compared to a normal Air Force One, the leather's a lot softer and it feels a little bit thicker than normal Air Force Ones, so I highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice quality pair of Air Force Ones. The swoosh of the shoe is also in white leather, but it's not the same type of leather that's on the upper of the shoe. It's more of a textured leather, and it kind of reminds me of crocodile print, but I don't think it is. That same textured leather is also on the heel tab of the shoe. These have a normal Air Force One bottom, but the color is a little bit different than the upper. The upper is more of just a normal white, but the midsole is more of an off-white or a cream color. Moving on to the laces of the shoe, they're also in that same color that the midsole was, so they're that off-white or cream color. And then this is the only pair of laces that you get with the shoes. The tongue of the shoe is in a sand or tannish color, and then there's also this clear material that goes over the tongue. I've never seen this before on a Nike Air Force One, so who knows, maybe in the future we'll see this on more colorways. The tongue does have some exposed foam on both sides, and that's really similar to the off-white shoes, and it gives it that deconstructed look. Now moving on to the jewels that come with the shoe, it only comes with one set unfortunately, and they come pre-laced on the left shoe. The first jewel is a big stone, and then it has the Nike logo in the center of it in black. The second jewel is a gold Nike swoosh with fake diamonds that outline the entire swoosh. And then the last jewel is another big stone with a black Nike logo in the middle, and then this one is also outlined in fake diamonds. So that wraps up my quick review of the Nike Air Force One in the Bling colorway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.